All right, boys and girls, we're going to be visiting again partial sums, but this time we're going to be adding all the way to the hundreds place, and I'm going to be calling on you for some help. For tonight's homework, the directions are here. Well, they're here. Solve the following. I need to make that correction. Solve the following addition equations using the partial sums strategy. So number 1, Rodeo Drive Group. What does it say to do?
Add hundreds place.
All right, so let's go ahead and first start by making our columns to show ones place, tens place, and the hundreds place. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit more here. So everybody, if I have 500 and I add 300 more, how many hundreds do I have?
800.
800. So that goes in, starting in the hundreds place. No tens and no ones. This shows 800.
Yep.
Go ahead and draw your lines down a little bit longer, your columns.
Yeah. So we don't lose.
And Hollywood. What does number 2 say to do?
Add tens place.
All right, so let's go to the tens place. 6 tens and 2 more tens is how many tens?
80.
8 tens. And what's 8 tens equal? What's the value of 8 tens?
80.
80. So that's 8 tens and no ones. Sunset. Read number 3.
Add ones place.
All right, so let's add the ones place. 5 ones plus 3 ones is equal to
8.
8 ones. Then you could draw the line across the bottom, bring down the addition symbol. And Vine Street, read number 4 for us.
Add vertically to get the sum.
So vertically, going down this way is vertical. So let's get the sum of 565 and 323. 0 plus 0 plus 8.
8.
0 plus 8.
8.
And 8 plus nothing.
8
Is 800.
So our sum is
888.
Does that sound logical? If I have about 500 and about 300. Thinking about going back to our mental math. 500 plus 300 is about how much? 800. So I do have an 8 here. But actually 565 is closer to 600 or 500? 600. So this is thinking again about mental math. 600 plus 300 is about 900. Is 888 close to 900?
Yeah, so much.
So when you get your sum, when you get your answer to your addition problem, you should always be asking yourself, this is the check that your mind does. Does my answer make sense? Is it logical?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You'll have the rest of these problems to do this evening.
Yeah.
All right. Great job.